Hi, I'm Danielle Shaw with ABCT Traders and Analysts. It's the weekend, so let's recap last week. The 10 biggest runners our scanners caught, how each one moved and why, and which one's still set up for a swing trade into next week, with the entry day, exit day, and levels. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, let's look at ZCMD, a medical technology company that made waves last week with a staggering 291.07% increase in its stock price. This stock is showing impressive relative volume at 11.13 and a runner score of 60, placing it in the potential runner tier. These indicators are critical as they suggest not only significant interest, but also potential for continued movement. Given its strong performance, ZCMD is a solid swing candidate. The combination of a strong percentage change, robust volume, and upward momentum makes it enticing. For your swing trade plan, aim to enter on Monday, July 6, around the opening price of $4.38. Set your targets for Thursday, July 9, at $5.03.7, and consider a stop loss at $3.94.2 to manage your risk. Just keep in mind that trading carries inherent risk. Next up is DXF, a mining-focused company that saw a jaw-dropping 200.63% increase last week. With a relative volume of 76.91 and a runner score of 60, it's clear that traders are buzzing around this stock. The indicators show high activity and interest, making DXF a prime candidate for a swing trade. The combination of significant price action, high relative volume, and strong momentum is compelling. For your swing trade plan, look to enter on Monday, July 6th at $1.10. Set your first target for Thursday, July 9th at $1.26.5 and keep a stop loss at 99 cents to safeguard your position. Remember, with great potential comes great responsibility. Now, let's talk about LHAI, a tech company that skyrocketed by 175.76% this past week. Its relative volume is mind-boggling at 22,858.8, suggesting enormous trading interest. This makes LHAI a fascinating early watch candidate. The strong price movement combined with such incredible volume positions it well for potential swings. For your trading plan, target an entry on Monday, July 6th at $1.82. You might aim for a target price of $2.09.3 by Thursday, July 9th. With a stop loss set at $1.63.8. As always, be mindful of your risk management. Let's look at CLRO, which is in the communication sector and surged by 142.24% last week, largely due to a merger announcement. It also boasts a robust relative volume of 13,944.27 and a runner score of 60. These indicators highlight strong trading interest and positive momentum, especially with the merger acting as a catalyst. If you're considering a swing trade, plan to enter on Monday, July 6th at $7.80. Set your exit target for Thursday, July 9th at $8.97, and place your stop loss at $7.02. Just remember to keep an eye on the news around the merger. Next, we have JEM, which focuses on technology and experienced a significant rise of 132.49% last week. The relative volume of 13.36 shows decent trading activity, placing JEM on the early watch list. This stock stands out due to its impressive momentum and potential for further gains. For your swing trade plan, look to enter on Monday, July 6th at $9.23. Your target for an exit would be on Thursday, July 9th at $10.6145, with a protective stop loss set at $8.377. Just be mindful of the volatility in tech stocks. Now let's talk about CWD, a financial sector player that leaped by 126.25% last week. With a relative volume of 140,978.67, it shows that traders are keenly interested in this stock. This strong volume combined with the significant price movement places CWD on the early watch list as a potential runner. For your swing trade plan, aim to enter on Monday, July 6th at $1.46. Set your target price for Thursday, July 9th at $1.6799, and be cautious with a stop loss at $1,314. Remember, always trade responsibly. Next is DSY, a healthcare company that saw a nice bump of 91.54% last week. Its relative volume of 12.67 suggests solid trading activity, making it an early watch candidate. The combination of momentum and potential for further gains positions DSY well for possible swing trades. For your trading plan, consider entering on Monday, July 6th, around $5.13. Your exit target would be on Thursday, July 9th, at $5.90, with a stop loss at $4.62 to manage risk effectively. Keep an eye on developments in the healthcare space. Now onto GSUN, a company in the solar energy sector that jumped 90.03% last week. With a relative volume of 6,643.38, it shows solid trading interest, placing it on the early watch list. The stock's momentum and potential for further movement make it an attractive option for swing trading. Your plan here should be to enter on Monday, July 6th at $0.6347. Set your target for Thursday, July 9 at $0.7299, with a stop loss at $0.5712 to manage your risk. Always stay updated on the energy sector news. Next up is WHLR, a real estate company that surged by 83.91% last week. With a relative volume of 114.22, it indicates decent trading activity, positioning WHLR as a potential runner. The strong momentum makes it intriguing for traders looking for opportunities. For your swing trade plan, aim to enter on Monday, July 6th at $1.82. Set your target for Thursday, July 9th at $2.93, and consider a stop loss at $1.638 to protect your capital. Keep an eye on the real estate market trends. Finally, let's discuss WCT, an industrial company that enjoyed an increase of 80.53% last week. With a relative volume of 5.57, it suggests emerging interest in the stock, making it a candidate for early watch. The momentum and potential for further gains position WCT well in the current market. For your swing trade plan, consider entering on Monday, July 6th at $1.6903. Aim for a target price of $1.9438 by Thursday, July 9, and set a stop loss at $1.5213 to help manage your risk effectively. Stay alert for news that could impact the industrial sector. That's the full weekend review. If this helped you plan your week, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for daily live trading alerts so you never miss a swing setup. Join our free Telegram channel for real-time alerts with exact entry and exit prices. The link is in the description. And drop a comment with any ticker you want me to add to next week's watch list. This is for education purposes only, not financial advice. Plan your risk and trade safe. And if this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates us to keep making these for you. And join my free Telegram channel for daily alerts with exact entry and exit prices. The link is in the description.